Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change the oil with my F150. This is the 2018 F150. I've got this Ronin device, oil drain plug that I've installed. I bought it for about 80 bucks. Sure helps a lot and keeps everything not so messy anymore. So basically you take the cap off, alright, there it is, and then you have to screw in this part that comes with the device, and as you screw this tighter, the oil starts to drain slowly. See if I could turn on the, there we go. All right. Oops. Okay, got it in there. Alright, here we go. Put the pan underneath, below it, and just tighten it. Keep on tightening it until it starts to flow. There you go. If I tighten it more, oops, it will let out more oil, but at least it's not gushing out anymore like a faucet at 80 psi and making a mess all over. Alright, so I'm just gonna let that drain and come back later. So I normally let it drain for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. I believe Ford recommends that you let it drain for at least 30 minutes. So, and I do 15 to 20 minutes depending on how much is drain. If it's not dripping anymore, then I stop. Otherwise I go all the way to 30 minutes.